Welcome, soldiers. Thank you for studying the art of warfare. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Believe in God. Love your fellow man. Eat healthy. Train your body. Take care of your equipment. And now something you already knew. The M75 hand grenade is a defensive fragmentation grenade first developed in the former Yugoslavia. Known for its robust design and wide fragmentation radius, it has seen use in several conflicts over the decades, often emerging from long-standing military stockpiles. Designed with defensive tactics in mind, the M75 is intended for use from behind cover. Its primary function is to disperse numerous small fragments upon detonation, creating a zone of danger for enemy infantry. Because of this, it is particularly effective in open areas, but it also poses a significant risk in confined or urban environments, where fragments can ricochet unpredictably. The grenade's construction reflects a balance between durability and effectiveness. The steel body encases the explosive charge, and the inner surface is engineered to produce a consistent pattern of fragmentation. The fuse mechanism includes built-in safety features to reduce accidental activation, while providing a short delay between arming and detonation, in the context of international humanitarian law. The M75, like all explosive weapons, must be used in accordance with principles of distinction, proportionality, and precaution. This means ensuring that attacks target combatants, that collateral damage is minimized, and that all reasonable measures are taken to protect civilians. Today, the M75 continues to appear in various conflicts, including the war in Ukraine, though often as a legacy weapon from decades past. While it remains effective in its intended role, its presence on the modern battlefield is a reminder of how older munitions can persist long after their original production, carrying both tactical potential and humanitarian risk. In studying the M75, we gain more than a technical understanding. We also confront broader questions about the lasting impact of weapons in war, the responsibilities of those who wield them, and the importance of post-conflict clearance to protect future generations. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Goodbye. We wish you a pleasant rest of the day.